namin na kahit hindi man naging maganda yung naging outcome, alam kong kayang bumawi for the next games. And ayun, sana maka-adjust agad since may game na po ulit tomorrow.
Ano na lang yung nakikita mong positive na lang?
Siguro yung positive is merong mga times na maganda yung ginagalaw namin against Thailand, and merong times na dumikit yung score din. So siguro kailangan lang namin ma-maintain yung gano'n na kung paano kami magtatrabaho sa loob ng court, kung paano namin ma-maintain yung composure namin.
First experience mo sa SEA Games, ano naman sabi mo sa initial experience?
I'm very happy. Iba pa rin talaga pag nire-represent yung country. Iba pa rin yung pride na dinadala na kailangan hindi na name mo, hindi na school or club team yung dala mo, talagang buong Pilipinas na. So kailangan talaga maglaro ng may puso. So kailangan namin gawin yon for the next games, na kailangan namin ibigay lahat ng alam namin. Kumbaga, kami yung pinadala dito, kami yung mga napiling atleta. So malaking bagay for us na mag-perform kami.
Gano'n ka-importante manalo sa Singapore bukas? Kasi alam naman natin yung importante yun para maka-advance tayo sa next one.
Yes. Yun, hindi naman isang game lang sana ang may papanalo namin. Sana itong Thailand din, pero hindi po tayo pinalad. Pero syempre, for tomorrow's game, kailangan yun nga, mag-adjust kami agad kung ano yung mga lapses namin today. And kailangan namin mabago siguro sa training tomorrow morning bago mag-game. And ayun, kailangan namin mas magtiwala pa sa sarili namin kasi yun nga, walang kwenta yung sistema kung kami sa sarili namin hindi kami natitiwala. So ayun, siguro confidence din sa bawat isa na kaya namin sumabay sa mga gantong laro.
Ayun, tough loss to start the competition. Just your thoughts or assessment about the game?
Honestly, Thailand was really ready for us. And yun na yung masasabi ko. I don't think we were able to give an answer to their attacks. Ayun, binigyan kami ng pagkakataon. I think medyo late na kami nakapagbawi, late na kami lumaban sa kanila. But next year, tomorrow, next year, tomorrow may laban kami against Singapore and we're hoping na mas better magiging performance namin. And hindi naman kami nag-lose ng hope. Gusto lang talaga namin mas magandang performance namin.
Madi Buena Mano pa ilan agad yung kalaban, tapos may home crowd pa sila. Pero sabi mo naman optimistic pa rin yung team going against Singapore. Paano na lang yung mindset going to the next game?
I think just take what we can in today's game and forget lahat ng mga errors and everything. I'm sure we can bounce back. Mature naman na yung team to not overthink about that stuff. I just wish na mas magiging maganda, and I hope magiging maganda for sure pagtatrabahuan and pagmimitingan namin yung game today para mas maganda yung magiging laban namin tomorrow.
Thanks, Maddie.
So personally, how would you assess your performance?
I don't think I played that well today. Pero ayun na nga, we can bounce back tomorrow. So just manage what we can.
Thanks, Maddie.
Tough loss to start the competition, siguro yung thoughts mo lang or assessment ko?
Siguro for me po, siguro more on communication pa po talaga, and talagang mag-stick dun sa pinag-usapan. So magre-regroup po kami para maayos yung problema kanina. So let's see for tomorrow's game. For sure po babawi kami.
First time mo sa SEA Games, kamusta naman yung laruan and also yung overall atmosphere ng competition?
Very happy and overwhelming, pero at the same time naman po, nakasama ko na rin naman po sila ate nung unang league sa sinalihan namin. So komportable naman po ako with them. Hindi naman po ako nanibago, pero very happy kasi nga po, SEA Games nga po to, and as much as possible, kalmado lang kasi yun yung kailangan ko maging composed para makatulong sa team.
Sa next few games, what can we expect from Shaina?
Ano ulit?
What can we expect from you sa next games?
Siguro pag pinasok ako, I'm gonna give my all po talaga na makatulong sa team kung ano yung instruction na binigay sa akin ng coaches at kung ano yung goal na bibigay nila sa akin.